Hello guys and welcome to your first video tutorial of spelling. Today we're going to start with the lesson 4, vowel sounds, page 27 and page 29. As we always do, we're going to start practicing the pronunciation of the word list. So let's begin. I'm going to repeat each word 3 times and I hope you do the same at home. The first word is the word reduce. 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 The second word is the word attitude. 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 The next one is the word sewer. 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 The next one is the word New York. New York. New York. The next word is the word review. 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 The next word is the word value. 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 The next word is the word continue. 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 The next one is the word humid. 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 The next one is the word United States. United States. United States. The next one is universe. 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 On the next page we have the word costume. 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 Then we have absolutely. 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 The next one assume. 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 The next one is the word renew. 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 The number 15 we have viewpoint. 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 Then we have interview. 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 Then we have preview. 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 Then we have the word rescue. 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 Then we have uniform. 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 And then we have the word reunion. 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 And we also have the challenge word. Newcomer, aptitude, curlicue, ukulele, and fugitive. Now, what are you going to do? As the part says, on the practice part, you need to sort the list words by writing 5 words that have a vowel sound spelled U, consonant E, 7 words that have a vowel sound spelled EW or IEW, and 8 words that have a vowel sound spelled U or UE. Okay guys, on the book you're also going to be working about antonyms. This is just like a refresh or a review because I'm pretty sure that you know this information already. But anyways, just in case if you forgot the information, here you have it. An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word. Remember, the opposite of another word. For example, the antonym of hot is cold. Some words can have more than one antonym depending on the context in which the same word is used. Then, when do we use commas? A rule that I'm pretty sure that you remember because this is something that you practiced a lot last year. So, I'm not going to explain all the comma rules. I'm just going to mention the ones that I'm pretty sure that you remember and the ones that you're going to be using on the practicing of the book. For example, on the first one, you have to separate a series of words. For example, see, comma, listen, comma, and be silent, comma, and you will be live in peace. The next one is to connect two independent clauses. The next one is to separate coordinate adjective. Then to separate a series of phrases. Also, you have to separate days, years, and addresses. To separate quoted parts. And also to avoid confusion. If you remember last year, you have a speech about this, so I'm pretty sure that you are master and experts on the comma rules, but anyhow, remember that you have a practice about this part, so just in case you forget how to use it, here you have the information, and I think that is going to be very useful for you to use it when you're working on the book. Then, what are quotation marks? Well guys, quotation marks are used around direct quotations. Someone's speech or writing, repeated exactly word by word. Direct quotation. Helen asks, "Can I borrow your car?" Quotation marks are not used around indirect quotation. Restatements of what someone said or wrote, no word for word. Okay, now I choose this word as one of the words that I consider that is gonna be one of the most difficult for you to understand. And that word is part of the challenge word, the word curlicue. And that would be a decorative curl or twist in calligraphy or in the design of an object. The white bridge was decorated with gilded wrought iron curlicues. And a sewer, well, a sewer, as you can see on the picture, is a large pipe, usually underground, that is used for carrying wastewater and human waste away from buildings to a place where they can be safely got rid of. Remember that you're going to be using a word list to make the vocabulary assignment. And with this, guys, we finished the presentation. I really hope all of you feel fine. So I will see you on the next video tutorial. So guys, see you later.